What's going on, YouTube? And we are here today to cut some crazy lace agates. Now, look at this. This is absolutely crazy. All of those bands within this thing, it is going to look beautiful on the inside. I can't wait to cut into this. I hope you are too. So let's get this going. Okay, guys and girls, you ready to see this? The first of the crazy lace agates. Okay, so just a little bit down in that corner right there. But if you look at that, that is absolutely gorgeous. And that gives me some high hopes for some of the remaining ones that we have. Look at that. Oh my gosh.
Oh, I can't wait to look at those too. Oh, it's so little. Okay, we might have messed up with the banding decision on how to cut this. I really don't know. This one was just a tough one. It was like the edge of an agate. I still think that's really pretty.
I think it does too. And we still got some of that banding. I mean, realistically, yeah, we could have cut through it there.
I like it though. Get your stuff back.
So now we are on to agate number 2. It's the second of the smaller ones. We got 4 of the bigger ones up next. Let's see what this one has to offer.
All of that.
Okay, number 2.
Whoa!
Oh, look at that. Straight through the middle with all that banding. And is that some blue that I see within? That is gorgeous. Oh my.
What's going on down here?
Oh.
Oh, and the little like goldy bits. I don't even know what that. Wait. That's a teeny tiny little cavern in there.
Yeah, that's a little geode. We're going to have to clean that on out and see about that. But that's a little geode, I believe.
What's up with the color? This is so cool. I love the bands on the side too. Side, like center. Oh, this thing is so pretty.
Agate number 2 did not disappoint.
No, it did not.
Okay, guys, so we're having a bit of an issue trying to figure out which one is going to come next. We're trying to figure out which one is going to look the prettiest. So we don't really know, and nobody really knows until you cut it open. So let us know which one you think we should have saved for last down in the comment section below.
I think it's this one. I think this one's the prettiest personally. Not to influence anybody.
And now on to those agates.
don't peek. So.
Okay, so I guess this one was really easy to cut through. So we'll see what we get on the inside. Oh my gosh.
Do you see the pocket?
Yeah, that's a little geode.
There's a little juicy, I think, in there.
Oh, I see some botryoidal.
It was too easy.
Oh.
What are these marks down here?
That white with the eye banding and bands that go all the way around, that blue and red.
Oh, these are so pretty.
This is gorgeous.
I'm loving these. Continue.
One of my favorites so far. Oh my gosh.
Still, I love that we got like a little geode pocket. Oh.
Okay, Crazy Lace Agate number 4. Oh my gosh.
What is that red up there?
That red, that banding at the bottom. Oh my.
Here, I'm focusing one up on the camera. There's so much pretty blues and like, is there like a mountain on the top? That's cool.
It kind of looks like a dolphin fin, or like if you look at it, it kind of looks like a pterodactyl's eye with that red mark, at least in this one.
It's kind of like a salazzle.
And now we got our crazy banded boomerangs.
Oh, those are so pretty. Okay. Next one.
Bonus clip. My wife really wanted to cut some dragon's blood jasper that we found at Jasper Beach in Maine. So stick around and you'll see that as well.
Okay, everybody, apparently this one is a tricky guy and tried to run away while it was being cut. So, hopefully mischief means a good pattern on the inside.
Oh.
What kind of pocket is that? It's filled with like orange things.
Yeah, we're probably gonna have to clean it out, but look at that.
And this red.
My gosh.
It's so pretty. And like all of this weirdness. Oh, that just needs to be cleaned out too. That is so cool. Like, oh.
Oh my. It's like it's two rivers meeting up at the bottom.
It is. This is so cool.
Okay.
Okay. Next one, I guess. Okay, hold up.
Yeah.
We were looking at these.
And we're coming back because we completely missed this one at the very top up here. That is some gorgeous crystallization in there. Look at that sparkle.
Oh. Well, geez, we were so interested in this yellow pocket. Wow.
And honestly, there's probably that crystallization in there, but it's just a little dirty. But once that gets cleaned up, we'll update you and we'll show you the finished product.
So we cut this guy once over here, as you can see, and I'm thinking about cutting it again this over here, just see what else is going on both sides. But
Oh,
what is that? There's so much going on.
You got all of this little banding off onto the sides, but then you got this like giant country of a band.
Oh my goodness, I'm so sad about the fractures, but like it's so pretty. And like this middle part here,
That is gorgeous.
definitely needs to be cleaned out. There's something going on though.
Come on, camera, focus.
Do you think? Woo! And they got like all these little guys like on the sides, like they're little pockets of stuff. What is this? Oh. Okay, well, I guess I'll cut it again over here. I want to see what else is going on. That's pretty. There's your half. I'm gonna cut this one. Okay guys, and second peek at the second cut in this rock.
Oh,
That's pretty. It's more of what was expected, but like that is so cool. There's so much going on both sides, really.
there's so much, and you got a nice little pocket right there too. That could be a little geode.
That's cool. Oh yeah, there's definitely something going on in there. Like, oh, so cool. All the things going on. Oh, that tried to be a geode too, I think. Oh, come on, camera focus. This is so pretty. All of these lines. Ooh, we got another little one right here. That's cool.
Yeah, look at those. Oh, and as a little aside, well, because we just did this agate right here, the first one that had that little center right there, that is also a little geode.
Oh, that's awesome. You got that cleaned out?
Yeah, a little bit. And you can see it is still a little orange, but you do have some nice crystals on the inside.
Can't wait to shine a flashlight on that once it dries.
Just wanted to show you guys. It's pretty cool. Okay, guys. Okay, YouTube. So I had a lot of fun today. I think Becca had a lot of fun today. And we got the puppies right here with us. So that was a wonderful time cutting those agates today. Hopefully you had as much fun as I did. And there will be a lot more on this channel like that. So if you enjoyed that, hit the like button, subscribe, and that notification bell. Now, I'm going to go feed these guys. Hopefully you have a wonderful night. We'll see you guys next time.
Bye.